In this section of the chapter, we are going to study about sector area and segment area of a circle. A sector area of a circle actually is part or portion of the circle enclosed between two radii and the corresponding arc of the circle. OA, OB are radii of the circle and APB is the corresponding arc of the circle. Arc APB subtends an angle theta at the center of the circle, so this angle theta is called sector angle. Area of sector OAPB is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. The arc APB subtends angle theta, so length of the arc APB is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. As an arc of a circle is a part or portion of the circumference of the circle. Now in this figure, APB is a segment of the circle with center O and radius R. As segment of a circle is part or portion of the circle enclosed between a chord and the corresponding arc of the circle. Here AB is a chord and APB is the corresponding arc of the segment. Area of segment APB is equal to area of sector OAPB minus area of triangle OAB. Therefore, area of segment APB is equal to theta by 360 pi r square minus area of triangle OAB. So these are some concepts, ideas and formulas which we are going to apply in solving questions of exercise 12.2. So let's start exercise 12.2. Question number 1 is find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 cm if the angle of the sector is 60 degrees. In this figure, O is center of the circle and OAPB is the sector of this circle of radius 6 cm, and we have to find area of this sector OAPB. Radius given 6 cm and sector angle is also given 60 degrees. So let's write radius R is equal to 6 cm and sector angle theta 60 degrees. So area of sector OAPB is equal to, formula is theta by 360 into pi r square. Let's put the value of theta and radius. Pi value will substitute 22 by 7. So 60 by 360 into 22 by 7, value of pi, into radius given 6 cm, so r square means 6 square. 60 by 360 if you will cancel, you will get 1 by 6 into 22 by 7 into 6 into 6. This 6 and this 6 will get cancelled and this is equal to 22 into 6. 132 by 7 centimeter square, and this is the answer. Second question is find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. So we have drawn a quadrant. OAPB is a quadrant of circle with center O. Quadrant of a circle is 1/4 part of a circle. If you divide a circle into 4 equal parts, one part is called a quadrant of the circle. So here in this figure, OAPB is the quadrant of a circle whose radius is not known, but circumference is given 22 centimeter, and OAPB is a quadrant, so it is like a sector of the circle with sector angle 90 degrees. So here in this quadrant, circumference of the circle is given 22 centimeter. And sector angle is 90 degrees, as a quadrant of a circle is 1/4 part of a circle. Let R be the radius of the circle. Let R be the radius of the circle. Because a quadrant is always of a circle. We are given circumference of the circle 22 centimeter. So first we have to calculate radius of the circumference, and sector angle, or you can say angle of a quadrant, is 90 degrees. So let us calculate first radius of the circle here using this circumference equal to 22 centimeter. So we can write 2 pi r circumference formula is equal to 22. Put the value of pi 22 by 7, 2 into 22 by 7 into radius r is equal to 22. This implies 2 into 22 into radius r is equal to 22 into 7. This 7 is cross multiplied, so 22 cancelled from both sides, so r is equal to 7 divided by 2. So 7 by 2 centimeter is radius of the circle, and we have to find area of quadrant of the circle whose radius we have got 7 by 2. So therefore area of quadrant OAPB is equal to, here either we can use this sector formula with sector angle 90 degrees, or we can use quadrant is 1/4 of a circle. So both way we will reach the same answer. So let us use here sector formula, theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta sector angle or quadrant angle is 90 degrees, so 90 degrees, 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 whole square, that is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. This 7 will cancel this 7, and this 2 will cancel 22 11 times. So this is equal to this 90 by 360 1 by 4 into 11 into 7 by 2. 11 into 7, that is 77 by 2. So this is equal to 77 by 8 centimeter square. So this is area of the quadrant of the circle whose radius, I mean circumference, is given 22 centimeter. Third question. The length of a minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. The dial of a clock is circular and minute hand, length of the minute hand is given 14 centimeter. We have to find area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So the area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes will be in the form of a sector of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. So length of the minute hand will be a radius of the circular dial of the clock. So length of the minute hand is given 14 centimeter, which will be as radius of the circular dial of the clock. 14 centimeter we can use for radius. We have to find sector angle of, sector angle that minute hand will acquire in 5 minutes. So we know that there are 12 equal divisions on the dial of a circular clock, and total angle at the center at the center of the dial of a clock is 360 degrees. So when minute hand will acquire area in 5 minutes, it will be in the form of a sector, and that sector angle we are going to find out. And how we can find out? 360 degrees divide by 12, because there are 12 equal divisions on the circular dial of a clock. So sector angle theta is equal to 360 by 12, which is equal to 30 degrees. So sector angle we have got 30 degrees, and radius of the sector, which is actually a length of the minute hand, 14 centimeter. It is already given in the question. So therefore area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. This is equal to 30 degrees by 360 into 22 by 7 into 14 square. 0 0 cancel, 3 1 ja 3, 3 12 ja 36. So this is equal to 1 by 12 into 22 by 7 into 14 square. We can write 14 into 14. 7 2 ja 14. 2 6 ja 12. 2 3 ja 6 and 2 7 ja 14. So 22 into 7 by 3. This is 22 into 7 by 3. This is equal to 154 by 3 centimeter square, and this is the answer. Question number 4. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major sector using pi equal to 3.14 in this question. Here in this figure, APB is a minor segment, OAPB is a minor sector, and OAQB is a major sector. We have to find area of minor segment APB and major sector OAQB in this figure. So let's write given radius 10 centimeter and chord AB subtends angle theta, that is sector angle or segment angle 90 degrees. To calculate area of minor segment, we need to determine area of sector OAPB and area of triangle OAB. So first let's calculate area of sector OAPB. So area of sector OAPB is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Angle theta is 90 degrees by 360 into 3.14 value of pi into r 10 centimeter, so 10 square. 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 100. So this is equal to 314 divided by 4 equal to 78.5 centimeter square. So this is area of sector OAPB in this figure. Now we can find out area of triangle OAB, which is actually a right triangle with two sides OA and OB equal to 10 centimeter. So this OA and OB are as base and perpendicular. So area of triangle OAB we can find using half into base into height. So after this let's calculate area of minor segment APB. Area of minor segment APB. This is equal to area of sector OAPB minus area of triangle OAB. Area of sector OAPB we have already calculated 78.5 centimeter square minus area of OAB we are going to use half into base into altitude. So OA we are taking base and OB altitude. So 78.5 minus half into 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter, 2 5 ja 10, 5 into 10 50. So 78.5 centimeter square minus 50 centimeter square equal to 28.5 centimeter square, and this is area of minor segment APB in the figure. Now we will calculate area of major sector OAQB. Second part, area of major sector OAQB is equal to area of circle minus area of sector minor sector OAPB. So area of circle minus area of sector OAPB. So area of circle pi r square, r is radius of the circle, and area of sector OAPB we have already calculated 78.5 centimeter square. So let it be 78.5 centimeter square directly, and this is equal to 3.14 into radius r is 10 centimeter minus 78.5 centimeter square. So 3.14 into 10 square 100 is 314 minus 78.5 equal to 235.5 centimeter square, and this is the answer. Now question number 5. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the length of the arc, area of the sector formed by the arc, and area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. So in this figure, O is center of the circle and OAPB is sector of the circle. APB is the arc and APB is the corresponding segment enclosed between the chord AB and the arc APB. We have to find length of the arc APB, area of the sector OAPB, and area of the segment APB enclosed between the chord AB and the corresponding arc APB. Radius of the circle is given 21 centimeter and the arc subtends angle theta at the center of the circle, and we have to find length of the arc APB as shown in the figure. So length of the arc APB is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Theta 60 by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into radius 21. 0 0 cancel, 6 1 ja 6, 6 6 ja 36. So 1 by 6 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 21. 7 3 ja 21, 3 2 ja 6, and this 2 2 cancelled. So 22 centimeter is length of the arc APB, and this is the answer of first part of this question. Second part. In second part we have to find area of the sector OAPB. Sector angle 60 degrees, radius of the sector 21 centimeter. So area of sector OAPB is equal to formula theta by 360 into pi r square. 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into r square. 21 into 21. This is equal to 1 by 6 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. 7 3 ja 21, 3 2 ja 6, 2 11 times 22, so 11 into 21, and this is equal to 231 centimeter square, and this is the answer. Now third part. In third part we will find area of segment APB. So area of segment APB is equal to area of sector OAPB minus area of triangle OAB, which is an isosceles triangle. So this is equal to area of sector OAPB. We have already calculated 231 centimeter square. So minus area of this triangle OAB, which is an isosceles triangle. So we are going to use a direct formula for area of this isosceles triangle OAB, that is half r square sin theta. Half r square sin theta is area of this isosceles triangle OAB. So this half r square sin theta we can use as a formula also. So this is equal to 231 minus half into r square, that is 21 square into sine 60 degrees. This is equal to 231 minus 21 square 441 by 2 into root 3 by 2. So 441, which is actually 21 whole square, by 2 into sine 60 degrees value root 3 by 2. So this is equal to 231 minus 441 root 3 by 4 centimeter square. And this is the area of segment APB formed by the corresponding chord AB, and this is the answer. Question number 6. A chord of a circle of radius 15 cm subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the areas of corresponding minor segments and major segments of the circle. Use pi equal to 3.14 and under root 3 equal to 1.73 in this question. In this figure, AB is the chord of a circle with center O and radius 15 cm. OAPB is sector, APB is minor segment, and AOQB is major segment. We have to find areas of minor segment APB and major segment OAQB. So let's write radius, which is given 15 cm. In this question, radius of the circle 15 cm and angle at the center by the chord is given 60 degree. So this angle of 60 degree is a sector angle also, and angle for the minor segment APB also. To find area of minor segment APB, let us first calculate area of sector OAPB and also area of isosceles triangle OAB. So their difference will be actually area of minor segment APB. So let us first find area of sector OAPB. So area of sector OAPB is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is given 60 degrees by 360 into 3.14, as it is given in the question that we have to use pi is equal to 3.14 and root 3 equal to 1.73. So value of pi 3.14 into radius 15 centimeter square. Here 60 by 360 is 1 by 6 into 3.14 into 225. 60 by 360, 1 by 6 into radius 15 square 225, value of pi 3.14 into 1 by 6, and this is 3.14 into 225 by 6 equal to 117.5 centimeter. Now area of isosceles triangle OAB. Area of triangle OAB is equal to half r square sine theta is the formula, and it is equal to half into 15 square into sine 60 degrees, and this is equal to 15 square 225 by 2 into root 3 by 2. The 225 into root 3 by 4. This is equal to 225 into 1.73 divided by 4. This is equal to 389.25 divided by 4 equal to 97.3125 centimeter square. So this is area of triangle OAB, which is an isosceles triangle. So now we can find area of minor segment APB, which is difference of area of sector OAPB minus area of OAB. So therefore area of segment, or we can write minor segment APB equal to area of sector 117.5 minus 97.3125 equal to 20.4375 centimeter square. So area of minor segment APB, is equal to 20.4375 centimeter square. Now we have to find area of major segment OAQB. Area of major segment OAQB equal to area of the circle minus area of the minor segment. So area of the circle, let's write pi r square formula minus area of this minor segment we have already calculated. So let's put its value directly, 20.4375 centimeter square. So pi 3.14 into, what is the radius? 15 centimeter. So 15 square minus 20.14 3.4375. So this is 3.14 into 225 minus 20.4375. Now what is the value? 3.14 into 225. It is 706.5 minus 20.4375 equal to 686.0625 centimeter square. And this is the answer.